butter have so much good benefits. If you have not tried shea butter before, you need to just run and grab one, because when I tell you how much benefit this have, you will be so surprised. So anyway, guys, I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Watch your ads and share with your family. You don't know I do videos daily, and today's topic is all about shea butter. Oh my god, I'm just amazed by the shea butter's benefits. Anyway, let's get right into the good stuff. So, shea butter is good for anti-inflammatory. It heals burns, protects the skin, contains vitamin A, E, and F, used for eczema. Oh my god, I didn't even know that shea butter is used for eczema. You know how much time I want something for my son's eczema, and I've been using creams and all that stuff, but shea butter actually can use. Isn't this amazing, guys? If I learn something new, I guess you have too. So that is amazing. We have accomplished it together. Yes. So it is also a good moisturizer for your skin, and it has natural SPF. It fades dark mark and scars and softens your skin, and it also relieves sunburn. You know, many times people have been asking me what they can use for your sunburns. Oh well, there was a cream named Care I always introduce to them because I've used that. Oh my god. Well, there's something new which people already supposed to know about, and me just don't know about it. But anyway, it's good to learn something new. I'm glad I find out about the shea butter, so I can go and use shea butter. Yeah, and it looks nice. It looks, oh my god, it look like something to eat. Man, I like, I'm talking about consume. I'm too rude. Anyway, yes, shea butter is really good for it's your not skin. Only good for your skin only, it shields hair from harmful UV rays and help prevent sun damage. It treats dry skin, dry scalp, chapped lips, and dry elbows and heel. It helps treat cuts, sunburns, as much as you know, rashes, insect bites, and muscle fatigue, and reduce inflammation. It helps prevent and fight against acne, irritation. It helps dandruff. Oh my god. This is a go-to product, guys. This is a go-to product. Anyway, as you can see, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Watch the ads. Watch the ads, guys. Watch ads. And share this video. I do videos daily. They can come back tomorrow, please. Yes. Have a great day. Have a great night. Bye, guys.